In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove password protection from a PowerPoint presentation quickly and easily. If you've previously locked your PowerPoint file with a password and now want to remove it so you or someone else can access it without restrictions, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. This works for most modern versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open the presentation that is currently password protected. You'll need to enter the existing password to access the file, so type in the correct password and click OK to open the presentation. Once your presentation is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you into what's called the Backstage view. The Backstage view is where you manage file-level settings, such as saving, sharing, exporting, and protecting your presentation. After clicking on File, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, click on Info. The Info section shows you all the protection and security settings currently applied to your presentation. If your file is password protected, you'll see that protection listed here. Next, in the Info panel, look for the button that says Protect Presentation. Click on Protect Presentation to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains different security options that you can apply to your PowerPoint file. From the drop-down list, select Encrypt with Password. Even though we're removing the password, this is the same place where you originally added it. When you click on Encrypt with Password, a dialog box titled Encrypt Document will appear on your screen. Inside this Encrypt Document dialog box, you'll see the password field with dots representing your current password. Click inside the password field so your cursor is active there. Now, to remove the password protection completely, simply delete everything inside that field. Make sure the password box is completely empty. Once the password field is empty, click OK. By clearing the password and confirming, you are telling PowerPoint that you no longer want this file to require a password to open. After clicking OK, there's one very important final step. You need to save the presentation to apply the changes. Either click the Save icon in the top left corner or press Ctrl and S on your keyboard. This ensures that the password removal is permanently applied to the file. To double-check that the password has been removed successfully, close the presentation completely. Then reopen the file. If everything was done correctly, the presentation should open immediately without prompting you to enter a password. And that's it. That's how you remove password protection from a PowerPoint presentation, step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where the settings are located. File, Info, Protect Presentation, Encrypt with Password, clear the password field, click OK, and then save. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Microsoft Office tutorials. I post regular guides to help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.